I'll give you just a very simple way to better improve your mind. Okay? Well, here we're all about using our mind to achieve our goals because that is the greatest form of leverage. That is the most godlike faculty of ours. It is through the mind that we create success. Okay? One of the best ways to do that. I hope you're already reading books, okay? I'll do another video on that, but you have have to read. Some of the greatest minds spend maybe 20 years, their whole lifetime, refining their knowledge and wisdom, and they put it into books throughout history. And when your mind reads, books are magic, you guys, okay? Your mind connects with the mind of the author, okay? But I want to give you one more further insight, okay? One of my mentors once told me there's a difference between reading a book and mastering a book. When you get to the right book, you must master it. What do I mean by that? The way to master a book is very simple. Okay? Sorry, my hand's getting tired. So you see all these books? Okay, I've got a ton of books. And I've got more books too. Okay, I put them all away to store them though. Okay? Because I've realized that you need to master books. What that means is, say you pick one book that you really need to learn, and you're rereading it every single day. Every single day. One of my favorite success mentors teaches that you're reading one page over and over and over until you are doing that action. For me, I want to keep it more simple, okay? Think and Grow Rich, for instance, I reread that every single day. I take one chapter and I read it for the entire month to 2 months. You know, it takes 67 days to form a habit. Okay? You want to get these to become naturally ingrained thought habits. You want to think like the author. And the way to do that is to keep rereading those words over and over again. Okay? So that's the tip here. Master the book, whatever it is. Mindset. For instance, I'm learning poker. I'm mastering that book. Okay, I'm not moving on. I'm going to master that book. I'm going to master the mindset books I'm working on. And the thing is, once you keep doing that, you're going to just want to keep doing it because you're going to realize there's always more to learn. Master the book, master the fundamentals. You will get your success.